Here are all the holes. Now I will close all holes with epoxy resin and mineral fiber, and after that, when cured, I will re-drill again. There is a lot of iron inside of steel, and this is very strange. There is void in this hole. There is a void. I will use this tape and we close all holes. I use the tape, this type of tape, to close all the holes. Now we'll flip the rudder and we'll drip some epoxy just inside. I drip resin in all holes and wait for cure. We are working to align the rudder and drill here and here, but we must pay attention all is correct. Here Here we are. This is the old method to fix the plate of the rudder, and this is the new one I invented. I think more safe and more strong. This is the screw I made in stainless steel. Is only one piece, and this is the other one, and fix the plate on the rudder. I don't like this system because it's very easy to ruin this line here when you use the screwdriver. I invented this new type. This is a bolt. I use A4 stainless steel, and I cut in the correct length this one, so I can use one bolt here and the other bolt here. I will fix very strong the plate of my rudder. This is very good, old type and new type.